Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Artab Ibrahim and my student number 231423053. In this video, I will explain about idioms in English, especially idioms that use the word blue. But be careful because the meaning cannot be translated word for word. What is an idiom anyway? Idioms are fixed expressions whose meaning cannot be guessed from the meaning of the individual words. Idioms often have figurative or metaphorical meanings that cannot be taken literally. If translated word for word, the meaning would be nonsensical and even wrong. Idioms are commonly used in everyday conversation and are an important part of a natural speaking style. For example, out of the blue, artinya tiba-tiba, bukan keluar dari biru. Okay, I'll give you an example of an idiom that uses the word blue. For first example, out of the blue, artinya tiba-tiba atau tidak terduga. Example sentence, she saw up out of the blue after years of no contact. Artinya, dia muncul tiba-tiba setelah bertahun-tahun menghilang. Kalau diterjemahkan harfiah, keluar dari biru, of course jadi aneh kan? And the next second example, blue in the face, artinya sangat capek atau frustasi. Usually for trying hard to do something. Example sentence, you can argue until you're blue in the face, but he won't change his mind. Artinya, kamu bisa debat sampai capek, tapi dia tetap gak akan berubah pikiran. And the third example, once in a blue moon, artinya sangat jarang terjadi. Not sekali dalam bulan biru, this means it's even rare. And for example, black and blue, artinya babak belur, biasanya karena luka memar, usually due to bruising. Example sentence, he got beaten black and blue in the fight, artinya dia babak belur setelah berkelahi. So is not just a matter of color, but so the bruised condition of the body. And the last, feeling blue, artinya merasa sedih atau murung. Example sentence, I've been feeling blue since my cat ran away. Artinya, aku merasa sedih sejak kucingku hilang. Bukan karena mukanya jadi biru ya, tapi ini tentang suasana hati seseorang. Why are idioms important to learn? Why do we need to learn idioms, especially in English? Because idioms are often used in daily conversation, movies, songs, and even books. If we only rely on the literal meaning, we can misunderstand the original meaning. For example, if someone say, I'm feeling blue, it doesn't mean that they feel blue, but that they are sad. Like the example I explained earlier. Understanding idioms makes our language skill more natural and closer to native speakers. So, those are some English idioms that use the word blue. As we can see, all of these idioms cannot be translated directly, and that's what makes idioms interesting to study in semantic studies. Because in semantics, We can learn how meaning can change depending on the context. Hopefully this explanation is useful. Don't forget to practice using these idioms in conversation to make your English more fluent. Sekian, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.